GT30 has made its official debut in India. The handset carries the Cyber Mecha design with white LED lights on the rear panel. This mid-range is built with 6.78-inch 1.5K screen with 144Hz refresh rate, 4500 nits of peak brightness. It's covered by Corning Gorilla 7i glass and features an in-display fingerprint scanner and a punch hole cutout for 13 megapixel camera at the front. You get a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor with 8 megapixel ultra wide. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 SoC with 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It runs Android 15 based XOS 15 out of the box and will receive 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches. It's marketed as a gaming phone. The GT30 features capacitive gaming triggers on the right edge, a 6-layer 3D vapor chamber, 90 frames per second support in BGMI, and customizable white LED lights at the back. It has a 5500 mAh battery with 45 watts charging support and IP64 rating with 187 grams in weight. The sales start in India on August 14 via Flipkart and offline sales. It comes in Cyber Blue, Pulse Green, and Blade White colors. The 8 128 GB version is priced at 19,499 rupees or $222, while 8 256 GB variant will be 20,999 or $240.